All right, it's the big day. Jesse's here. He's going to take care of this mess that I made of his handiwork and repair the ceiling again. So check this out, guys. We've got Jesse here today. He is the sheetrock wizard. He's going to take care of me, and I'm so grateful for Straight Line and Jesse. He does an excellent job. If you guys have sheetrock work you need done, call him up. I'm going to put a card at the end for a sheetrock wizard. Jesse too, you call him up, boom, he'll take care of anywhere in the Sacramento, greater Sacramento area. There it is. We're going to fix this up. This is the before. I'll show you the after. And, well, there you have it. The process is pretty amazing. First, he protects everything with plastic before he starts his work. Okay, here's his complete tint. So you don't have to worry about dust from the sheetrock being cut or from the stuff. Look at this. He has a little tint. And this is what it looks like inside where he's going to be working. See this? He protects your walls, your floor, and dust from getting through your house. He does a great job and he gives great prices. See, he even had the little booties on. How do you argue with that? He said he's all done. Here we go. What is going on here? Oh my God. The hole is gone. It just needs to dry and then be painted. Look at that, guys. You cannot tell me anything, and there's no mess anywhere. It's completely clean. Thank you so much, man. I appreciate you. And if you guys need any kind of sheetrock, it doesn't just do ceilings, just walls. Any kind of sheetrock work, call Jesse. Take care of it. All right, guys. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.